So, I don't really know what I'm doing. So, oh, I just, oh, putting down a little bit. Let's launch it. Oh my goodness. It goes down a bit. I knock one. That is crazy, bro. And now I need to lock 7. 7. 7. 6. 6, 6, 6. 5. No way. 2. Only 2 left. Oh my goodness. And launch again. Launch it. Launch. Oh yes. 1. It's going to die. Yes, sir. Yeah. We won. So let's go. Another round. Of course, we're not the. Oh. We're not going to go there because I'm feeling like that is going to fall. Oh. Okay, we should have go there. Really. Just my bad luck. Okay, can you beat him already? I want to go in the next round. I can't lie, this game is actually very fun. 2 more. You should do it in the corners. Oh my goodness, what is that thing? 3, 2, 1, rocket launcher. Oh, sakto. Oh, yes. Destroyer wins. That's right. Now it's pointing. Intermission. Let's go. Sister Kate. I like the girl. Bacon girl. Oh my goodness, she's going after us. Run! Run! Oh. Oh! How did I die? I think I died because I just got hit. Hit him already. Yes. Go. Oh, how? Gotta down it a little bit. Yeah. I said down it a little bit. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Whoa. She a billion. Only 1 left. Yo. Come on, come on. Got it straight. No. Gotta win. Win for us. Oh my goodness. This girl is very dumb. Or whatever she is. Woo! Yes, I. Oh my goodness, okay. I'm going to throw SpongeBob in there. As you don't know, I love SpongeBob. You can go now, SpongeBob. Oh, I need to up it a little bit. A little bit. Yeah. Get out. Yeah. I've just killed 2 of them. And I killed 1 of them. So that's 3. We're going to make it 4. 5. Okay. Just going to launch a sun there. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Kala ko, I thought that was sun goggles. I think I'm going for down a little bit, yeah. 4, 3. Let's go. We're gonna beat him. Yeah! I can't lie, but this is my first time. This is not actually my first time. B-boy. Oh, you're really tall. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Bakit i-poet mo, daddy? Wow. 14. No. Like if you're joined Fulton family. Oh. It's going to fall, boy. Boy. Stop it. Boy, stop it. It's going to fall, boy. 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 Boy, it's going to fall, boy. Boy. I don't know what was that one. Yeah. I just lost all my money. And I just got 3. Really? 3 coins? Who stole all my coins? This guy. Yeah. Alright, let's see. What the? What was there? It was like Pac-Man. This is a baby noob and this is a noob girl. I don't know how they do that. Yeah. LOL. We're just going to jump if this middle falls. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the other middle falls. Maunangin. Mahulog na kami. Brain rot. Ba't ko sinabi yun? Sige, ma-join ulit tayo sa ibang server. Okay, malapit na ata. Nandito ulit ako sa server ko. Ang galing naman. Nag-leave na nga ako. Nandito pa rin ako. Wow. Ito. Noob girl. Noob boy. Tapos may noob girl din tayo dito. Wow. Matching kayo. Matching. What the heck is that face? Ayoko makita ulit yung mukha mo, ate girl. Ayoko makita yan. Mahulog. May mahulog. May nahulog. Tas naglabing-labing sila. Tas ito yung anak nila. Yay. Tas wala na yung nanay tatay mo. Inalisan ka na. Ilisan mo. Dito lang ako. Piling ko tataas nga siya. Philippine family. Okay. Hintayin lang natin, ihulog nito. Muntik na. Muntik lang guys. Muntik lang. Hindi naman. Pagka nasa gilid tayo, hindi nila tayo matatamaan eh. Oh. Okay. Pero kung tamaan yung Jenga. Matatamaan ka din. I have learned a lesson today. Yay. Paglilimuli tayo, tas hintay lang tayo unti, tas punta na ulit tayo dyan. Tas wala na tayo dito. Ay, hindi na dito pa rin tayo. Ang galing. Ito lang ba yung server dito? Sige. Destroyer wins at saka tower wins. Si Brianna, 0 out of 0. Tower, 9 out of 4. Candy, 5-0. Destroyer. 0-0. Sige, tira natin yung okay. 2 out of 1. Feeling ko mas mataas sa akin si pagets ko lang kung bakit bakit 0 lang yung pangalalo niya. 18 seconds na lang 10 seconds na lang. Talo na siya. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tower wins eh. Kaya na ulit yung tower natin. Intermission na naman. Naku, 3 piso pa rin yung pera ko. 3 pesos. Dito tayo sa gitna. Yung sa gilid-gilid. Para makatalon tayo ng talon tayo. Piling ko nag-ano na siya dito sa amin. Kasi mas madami sa amin. Uy. Na-survive nga ako. No. What the? Lumipad ako. Ganun parang mangyayari pag bumagsak ka. Alright. Ang next naman natin lalaroin ay okay, Jenga. Ay. Survive in a one circle. Okay, last time the circle. Ang lalaroin natin ay panalos. Si Mr. Beast dapat yung una dito. Ayun. Ito yung nilalaro ko dati. Play na tayo. So, ito talaga ang paborito ko. Rule 1. Don't leave the circle. At ang rule 2 naman ay you need to survive. At yung isang rule naman na pwede magiging rule ay try to survive without parang pwede yung pangalan niya, try to survive in the circle. So, sige, I'm ready. Yay, I'm ready. Ang tagal naman. Ayun, ano na. So, dito sa red circle na to, bawal tayong umalis dyan. So, pagka umalis tayo, talo tayo. Sakia, sama mo na ako. Ayaw ko na rin dito eh. Kagaya mo. Ayaw niya. O sige, mag-take damage ka lang. Takal naman ng game. Takal lang game po. Okay. Di pa nag-ano ngayon. Wait lang. Dito ka. Dumito ka. A black hole is spawning. Saan? Ito yung black hole. Dito. Di ko alam kung bakit may pillow kami dito. So okay. Wait lang, Sailin. Minopio. Ball fight. Fight him. What si Pomni. Snail? Ayoko dito sa snail na to. I don't trust the snail. Tama po yung set on fire. Don't step in the fire. At my fire. What the? Wait lang. Turn off the thermostat. Ouchie. Ayaw kong hawakan yan kasi parang utot ko sa kama. Alright. Trash climbing 3, 2, 1. First one to get a top gets a regen coil. The first one. Sino na una sa top? Hindi ko nakita. This is IKEA. Yun. Para saan yun? Makay ka pa rin. Sailing is tiny but fast. Okay, wala na. Hindi sila talo na silang lahat except kay Bacon here. Patay silang lahat. Okay, so tatlo na lang kami dito. Ay, apat lang pala. Tapos yung iba naman andun pa sa camping side. So kailangan manala tayo. So tatlo pa rin kami kahit na pinatay ko na to si Dynamax. Hindi na makatayo si Dynamax dahil sa amin dalawa. Sniper tayo. Where's the sniper tower? No! Bola naman to sa blade ball. Dynamax is in the sky. The circle is shrinking. Trust climb in 3, 2, 1. First, to get at the top, I get a regen coil. Paano ko makakapunta ng top dito? Yan, bagal ko magano. Pick. Wait lang. Hindi ako muna ano. Dito ako. Sa Floris Laba! Yay! Back the back rooms. No, go there! Tsunami. Tsunami dito ako. Tsunami daw eh. Ah, you are outside of the circle. Dito ako. Ano ba naman yan? Nanalo na tayo, boys. Ah. No. Ang dami nga nag-a-atake sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Ay, okay. Naalala ko tong babae na to. Oh my goodness. I'm in the sky. I'm flying. Wee. Eh? Ah. No, don't come near me. This beauty burger. Sarap. Zombie. Ah! All in the wall, please. Cactus. Ah, cactus. Hindi ko ito touch yung cactus. May hole in the wall pa ba? Yippee. Ah, for